If you want to know how to make this delicious steak, watch this entire video and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Hey everyone, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to my kitchen and video regular. Today I have some cube steak here that I'm going to marinate and make a delicious dish. But a lot of people don't like cube steak because cube steak is tough. But I'm going to show you how I like to make it. Hoy voy a mostrarle una manera que como me gusta hacer bistec con cebolla. No mucha gente le gusta este bistec porque es muy duro, pero si lo hace a mi manera, entonces será muy suave. So I'm going to marinate the steaks in some lime juice, onion, garlic, and cilantro. And I'm going to use some of these dry seasonings up here to season the steaks. I'm also making some yuca. Along with that, I'm making some rice and black beans congri and a little side salad. Okay, esta noche voy a marinar este bistec por una hora, no más, en jugo de lima, cebolla, ajo, perejil y condimento seco. There are so many different ways that I make steak. It depends on what type of steak I have. But I'm just going to marinate it simply in lime juice tonight. But it still will taste just as delicious. But lime juice is great for marinating because it's an acid. So you can either use vinegar, you can use orange juice, you can use lime juice. Any kind of acid will marinate your meat. Hay muchas formas diferentes que hago bistec, pero esta noche lo estoy marinando en jugo de lima. Cuando marinas el bistec, puede utilizar cualquier tipo de ácido como vinagre, jugo de naranja o incluso jugo de toronja. So now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it stay for 1 hour. And then in the meantime, I'm going to start preparing my yuca and the rice and the black beans, my congre. Ok, voy a dejar reposar en la nevera por 1 hora. Mientras tanto, voy a preparar el arroz, el congre y yuca con mojo. So my beans are ready, and I'm going to take out a 1/4 cup of beans, and the rest of the beans I'm going to make a stew with. So I'm going to thicken them up. So I'm going to take out about 2.5 cups of bean broth, and I'm going to add that to my rice. I have 3 cups of rice, and I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of beans to the rice. Okay, la yuca está hirviendo y estoy usando el caldo de frijoles negros que cociné antes y usando 3 tazas de arroz y 2.5 tazas de caldo y 1/4 taza de frijoles. So at this point, you want to add a little more dry seasoning to your broth because this will be the final time that you have to season your rice and beans. Estoy añadiendo condimento seco a mi caldo para darle más sabor. Usando sazón completa, comino, oregano, sal y pimienta nada más. I'm going to add a little oil so that I can start sauteing my peppers, onions, and garlic because I'm going to add that to the beans to give it more flavor. Okay, estoy haciendo un sofrito sencillo, salteando los pimientos, cebolla y ajo. So the peppers, onions, and garlic is a basic, simple sofrito. And I'm just going to add that to the rice and beans. And then I'm going to start preparing my steaks. I'm going to cook my congre for about 20 minutes on medium-low. And then I'm going to turn it down to low. And I'm going to cover it with the top. And I'm going to cook it for 10 more minutes. Okay, voy a cocinar el congre por 20 minutos. Y 10 más minutos con la tapa. En total, 30 minutos. So now we're going to start cooking our steaks. And the steaks are going to take about, I'm going to say 30 minutes to cook. It may take a little bit more time to cook if it's not tender. But I'm going to say 30 minutes and maybe an additional 10 minutes if it's not totally tender. Voy a cocinar este bistec durante 30 minutos y quizás tengan que cocinarlo 10 minutos más para tener un beefsteak más suavecito. So it's been 15 minutes since I've been cooking the steak, and I'm just gonna turn them on the other side, and I'm gonna cover the pan with the top so I can keep the steam inside, and the steak will become nice and juicy. Our congri is nice and fluffy. So this is all ready. And I'm also making my yuca. Oops. So let's see if it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. Ooh, it's too soft. So it's ready. And I'm also making some chicken for my husband. All right. So let me get ready to get my onions ready. So now I'm gonna make my mojo that goes over the yuca. I'm not really gonna go into depth because this video is not about making yuca. So I'm just quickly showing you what I'm doing. But I do have a video showing you exactly how to make yuca con mojo step by step. And I'll leave the link toward the end of the video so you guys can just click on it. Ahora estoy haciendo mojo para la yuca, pero no voy a mostrarle como paso a paso cómo hacerlo, porque este video no es sobre cómo hacer la yuca, pero tengo un video cómo hacerlo. Y dejaré un link al final del video. So there are so many different ways to make steak. I have a couple of videos on how to make Cuban style steak with mojo marinade. So if you want to check it out, just go to my other videos, and I'll leave a link down below so that you can just click on it really easy. Como les dije, hay muchas maneras como hacer beef steak. Tengo algunos videos como me gusta hacer beef steak estilo cubano. Voy a dejar un link abajo de este video. So now my dinner is ready and it looks totally delicious. So I have my steak with my onions, which looks so juicy and delicious. And I have my congri over here. And I'm just gonna add some lime to my steaks because I love to put lime juice over my steaks once I'm finished cooking them. Show you how tender the meat is, just so you know, because cube steak is really tough, so just want to show you, and then show you how easy it cuts. You can just pull it like that. If you cook it right, you'll get a tender steak. So you just have to basically braise it in order for it to be tender. Well, guys, it's time for me to go. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Bueno, mis amores, es hora para yo irme. Suscríbete a mi canal, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook at Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Sígueme en Facebook en mi grupo Lolita's Cuban Kitchen. Y también Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Reddit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.